Alright, so the usual process is marking up the cost price to get the marked price or the listed price and then offer a discount on that. But there are some indirect ways as well in which a discount can be offered. See, the main purpose of discount is to increase sales while keeping company or shop expenses minimum. And many a times this can be achieved in one of the following ways. Buy some and get some for free, or buy some and get some percent extra for free. Now the first offer can usually be seen at garment stores and shopping malls. Buy 3 shirts and get 2 free. Shops are happy to avail this offer as a customer will have to pick minimum 5 shirts, and this increases revenue with lesser unsold stock. And customer is happy as they are getting something for free, of course. So this is the discount only. This is some sort of discount only. You are getting something extra for free, that's some sort of discount. Now let's convert this discount to an equivalent percentage discount. Okay. This offer, buy 3 and get 2 free, is equivalent to how much percent off? It is equivalent to how much percent discount? See, in total you are getting 5 items. So you should be paying for 5 items, but actually you have to pay only for 3 items, as rest 2 you are getting for free. So price of 5 items is the marked price that is shown to you as total. Okay. Price of 2 free items is the discount, as you are getting those items for free. So price of 2 free items is the discount, and price of 3 items that you pay from your pocket is the selling price. So if we assume price of each item as X, then price of 5 items will be 5X, which is marked price, and selling price will be 3X, and discount offered is 2X, which is given over marked price. So discount percent will be 2X upon 5X into 100. That will be 40%. In second offer, buy 2 and get 1 free. Total price listed is of 3 items. So 3X is the marked price. 1 free item is the discount, which will come in the numerator. So discount percent will be 1 upon 3 into 100. That will be 33.33% discount. Now look at the second offer. Let's say this Dettol shaving cream used to be of 100 grams. But now with 30% extra, what you get is 130 gram on paying just for 100 grams, right? You pay only for 100 grams, but you are getting 30% extra. You are getting 130 gram. If each gram is of X rupees, then 130 gram, that is listed price, will be 130X rupees. Okay, 130X rupees. And you pay 100X for 100 gram, which will be selling price. So 100X will be the selling price, what you pay for 100 grams. Now discount percent will be 30X upon 130X into 100. That will be 23%. So if you have an option of choosing between 30% extra and 25% discount, 25% discount is the better option, as giving 30% extra is equivalent to giving 23% discount only. And that's the reason why most of the supermarkets have this offer. To a normal customer, 30% rings a louder bell than 23%, right? There is one more way to look at this. 30% extra means 30 extra upon 100. 30 extra on 100. Okay, 30% means 30 upon 100. 30% extra means 30 extra on 100. That will be 3 extra on 10. Okay, 3 extra on 10. This basically means this offer is same as buy 10 and get 3 extra free. It is equivalent to buy 10 and get 3 free. Let's take one more example. 28.56% extra. Well, 14.28 means a fraction of 1 upon 7. So 28.56 is double of it. So it means a fraction of 2 upon 7. Now 2 upon 7 extra, 2 extra on 7, that means you pay for 7 and you get 2 extra free. Okay, buy 7 biscuit packets and get 2 free. So discount is of 2 as you get 2 free, and listed price or the total price shown to you is of 7 plus 2, that is 9 biscuit packets, in which you are getting 2 free, and actually you pay for 7 only. So discount percent, 7 that you pay for is the selling price, and discount percent will be discount upon marked price. That will be 2 upon 9 into 100. Now fraction 1 upon 9 is equivalent to 11.11%. So 2 upon 9 means 22.22%. And this was all about different types of offers and discounts that you usually come across. I hope now you will be able to solve any question based on this concept or this topic. Thank you.